Hello, this is Joan of Arc. This is a Friday and it means market day for the city of Talisay. We're here to discuss the word market or chinda. So what does it mean? Chinda comes from the word tienda, which has been corrupted in Ilonggo as chinda. not this taxi though. Chinda, as it is pronounced in Ilonggo, comes from the word tienda. In Ilonggo, it's pronounced chinda. Chinda also means market day. So chinda could mean market and market day. Every town and city in the Philippines, or at least in Negros, has an assigned market day. In some places, it's on a Monday, others fall on a Tuesday, Wednesday. In Talisay, it's always on a Friday. So Friday is probably the busiest day of the week because everybody goes out to buy their wares on Friday, market day. And because market day falls on a Friday, Friday is Biyernes. It's called by the locals as Biyernesan. Biyernesan, not Biyernesan, but Biyernesan. It happens always on a Friday, so it's been called Biyernesan. When somebody says Biyernesan, it means Market Day Friday. So this is what Biyernesan looks like. A busy town square or city plaza that falls on a Friday. Everybody comes down and out and buy everything for the week's supply. So they're selling vegetables, fish, meat, plasticware, anything that's needed for the house. Apparently it's raining and these are makeshift tents. The tents are taken down after the market is over, after the chinda is over. Tents are usually made of sacks, polyethylene sacks, what do you call that? We call sako. Other tents are made of tarpaulin or what we call trapal. There's a little umbrella. That's the umbrella, so other market sellers use the umbrella or payong for the umbrella. This is Joan of Arc and this is Market Day Friday for you. Chinda, Market Day Friday. Biyernesan, Market Day Friday. Bye-bye for now. Market Day Friday. Biyernesan.